Santa Rosa is now the new epicenter for the new coronavirus outbreak in Guyana. Students in Santa Rosa have not been attending classes to prepare for Ngsa as teachers tested positive as soon as schools reopened early in June. Public Relations Officer at the Ministry of Education, Bruchelle Blackman, told the newsroom via telephone interview that it is unfortunate that so many teachers tested positive in Santa Rosa, but teachers are not required to be in the school for the exams.
The examinations are going ahead as planned under the, as is guided by the examination order which was published and gazetted. So I don't know what else outside of that I can say.
No, with the high number of cases in Santa Rosa, will the students still be coming out tomorrow and Thursday to write the exams?
That's what I'm saying. The exams are still going ahead as planned.
Two Ngsa students in Letem Region 9 who tested positive last week will be allowed to do the ministry's placement exam, which basically means that students will be placed at a secondary school closest to where they reside and then write a placement exam a year later. Executive Director for the Amerindian People's Association, Jean LaRose, also told the newsroom via telephone Tuesday that hinterland students are not prepared for the exam, especially those in Santa Rosa. LaRose explained that the APA had also written the National COVID-19 Task Force to increase testing in Santa Rosa when there were only 3 confirmed cases.
One of our concerns has been the unpreparedness of the children because of the lack of support to the communities, or lack of support not reaching the communities to prepare them in terms of the school curriculum itself and so forth. But the other one has been the slow pace at which support has gone to the communities to prepare them for the onslaught of COVID. In the case of Santa Rosa, well, the AP had written to the task force, the National Task Force, expressing concerns and asking that they step up testing and do a number of things specifically directed to Santa Rosa. Almost 3 weeks after, then we saw them kind of taking steps to do stuff in the community. This is when only, I think, 8 cases had been tested positive. So I know for a fact that there is not enough information, not enough awareness on COVID, its implications, and so forth, and therefore the community itself has been having a hard time dealing with that. So I don't think the children have been prepared enough.
Okay.
Or who is prepared? We as adults, we're nervous when we go out, except for those hanging out on the seawalls, of course.
Santa Rosa is the largest Amerindian settlement in the country, but with the slow pace of response to the community, there is now a high increase of positive cases. Added to this, Santa Rosa's Tushau Juanita Phillips had told the newsroom that the residents were not adhering to the COVID-19 curfew and other measures in place. Santa Rosa reported its first COVID-19 case on May 25th. 59-year-old Vincent Torres had visited Georgetown shortly before his death, where he is believed to have contracted the disease. With limited isolation facilities, the Civil Defense Commission, CDC, installed a number of COVID-19 isolation tents at the Sheba ground in Moruca. Isolation facilities were previously set up at the Amerindian Hostel, the Regional Education Officer's residence, and the Aquero Guest House.